Every modern business runs on data. Sales reports, inventory dashboards, financial forecasts depend on data pipeline running smoothly in the background. But when one of those pipelines breaks, most teams don't find out until it's too late. Report is wrong, a decision gets made on stale numbers, or a customer gets the wrong information. I built PipelinePulse to. So as we can see here, this is Fivetran, one of the world's leading data integration platforms. It moves data from sources like Google Cloud, Google Drive, Salesforce, and, and Stripe into your data warehouse automatically. So you can see here that I have two active connections, Google Drive, Fivetran, metadata. It's syncing into BigQuery here on Google Cloud. So Fivetran is super powerful. When something goes wrong, understanding what happened and what to do about it requires real technical knowledge, knowledge that most business users simply don't have. So that's where Pipeline Pulse comes into play. The Google Cloud here. Pipeline Pulse is an AI agent built on Google Cloud Agent platform, and it is powered by Gemini 2.5 Flash, Google's most capable model. So you can see the agent here in the Google Cloud console with its instructions directly configured to act as a data pipeline health advisor. It connects directly to the Fivetran's MCP server to pull the real-time data pipeline information, and then it uses the Gemini to translate that technical information into plain, plain English, actionable English anyone on the team can understand and recognize. So no SQL, no dashboards, no engineering degree required. So let's see this in action. Switch to terminal. This to load. Okay, and then we can put in this. So pipeline pulse connects to Fivetran. It pulls the live status of every connector. So let me ask something a business owner or manager would actually want to know. So we can input what is the status of all my, and then we wait for a response. So it says, it looks like both of your pipelines need a little attention right now. And then it gives the information on the Google Drive, the metadata, the updates on both of them, and then it gives a summary. So in short, the information you're seeing in your reports might be a little stale from both Google Drive and our own monitoring. And then it gives an actionable it's what to do next. Please reach out to your data or IT team so they can take a look and get things running smoothly again. So this, once again, this is plain English, no jargon. It tells you exactly what's happening, what it means for your business. So let's dig a little deeper. So let's ask which pipeline needs most urgent attention and why. Let's- So the pipeline needs the most urgent attention is the Fivetran metadata. It's urgent, what it means for the business, and the next actionable steps. So it gives a full outline of what the business owners have to do. And it doesn't just list statuses, it prioritizes and explains the actual business impact and tells you what. Let's give a final question. What should my manager about the data issues? Waiting for a response again. So Pipeline Pulse responds with, it looks like we have a couple of important data pipelines that need right now. So we have to tell them from our Google Drive it isn't updating correctly, which means any reports, data dashboards, decisions relying on Google Drive might be outdated details. So they have to work on the Google Drive aspect, and then um, they give additional information with internal monitoring tools that are also displaying issues, and then it gives the next steps. So it helps you communicate the problem to the rest of the team. So that's a complete workflow from detecting the issue to understanding it and to knowing how to act on how to what next actionable steps the business owners have to take, all in a single conversation. So in close, Pipeline Pulse is built on Google Cloud and Gemini, and it's integrated with Fivetran's MCP server, and it is designed for one purpose, making data operations accessible to everyone on the team, not just engineers. Because when your whole team understands what's happening with your data, you make better decisions fast. So you have to know the data and trust the decisions.